Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we were doing a spicy, extra spicy would you rather featuring Taj right here because my relationship experts.
No, I'm not.
Continue watching this video. First question. Would you rather marry a girl who slept with 50 men or marry a girl who was raped by 2 men?
Oh dear. 50 men are raped by 2 men. That's a very difficult question. I would have to say I would rather not date any of them.
You have to choose one.
Have to.
Have to?
Have to?
You have to choose one.
Damn.
2 raped by 2 men. 2 men now is 2 raped.
I know. Alright, let me explain. So I think any man would choose the woman who has been raped by the 2 men. I think reason being because it's just 2 men. We're speaking in general, like she has only had sex with 2 men. Oh, alright. Yeah, so alright. Now the reason why why I said I wouldn't want to choose any of them is because the one who had been raped, I think she had no. I think
emotionally damaged. You told them emotionally damaged.
Yes, because look, you have to understand that a woman who has been raped, there are things where she have to go through psychologically in her head. Probably she not go trust man as much. She go, afraid and all of them stuff there. And then you as a good guy who genuinely like her, probably it will be very difficult. And you couldn't blame her either, because if she has been abused, then she will have some fun walls up. And then the woman who sleep with 50 men, that's a whole
ball
game to play. Every hurt, it's almost like the same thing, because every hurt, every other guy passed down, you are the guy who have to go and fix all of that. The insecurities, the no trust issues. So I think both of those 2 categories of ladies would definitely need time to heal to themselves, because I don't think any.
So which one would you choose?
Damn. As I said, I would rather to not deal with any of them, but I think I'll go with the one who. No, wait. It's a lot of work, but I'll give that one a try.
Alright. Next question. Would you rather cheat on someone or get cheated on?
Oh, man. Very difficult questions, make me get uncomfortable. But I think, yeah. Would I rather to cheat on someone, and you're saying based on the fact that I'm in a relationship, like a committed relationship. So say for instance a wife or a girlfriend. There's a big difference between when a man cheats and a woman cheats, and I know a lot of people will disagree, but if you can,
disagree, comment below.
Anybody who can extrapolate will understand is that when a woman cheats, it's like she automatically leave you in her mind already. You understand? It's like our whole mindset just changed. You understand? She leave you in her mind already. And also we know that women don't really cheat with people that they don't really like. It's not like us as men where, sometimes we get in a certain predicament and we sleep with a female. It's not that we really love her, but it's just the primal nature that us as men have. And sometimes it happens. Sometimes most men will say, boy, when they act done, you feel so bad, so caught up, and you will even end up hate the female. But a woman will normally sleep with a guy who she really, really likes. She have to like him to some degree. Why should do that? And if so it's a whole different thing. So to answer the question, I don't advocate for cheating if you're in a committed relationship, but it's better if I cheat.
If the man cheats.
Yeah. I know it sounds like a double standard, but when you look at it, it's very. But on that note, what about you? Like, would you rather?
No, I'm not really cheating.
Okay.
Me techie.
Okay. There you have it. There you have it. But why? Could you
The same reason you have.
like you'd have to have an emotional
You have to like
connection?
somebody
Yeah.
just you can't just cheat. So.
And that would be a whole different thing. It's like you'd have left your partner altogether. Yeah.
Not just a plan for it already.
And the first question is body count a thing for you as women. Does it matter to women if a guy sleeps with like 100 women?
No. Well, to me, no.
To you, no. And why?
Because men have like the emotional connection like where women don't need to. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So fair enough.
Would you rather get married to someone you hate or get married to someone who hates you?
Damn! Why would I even? What the? Why
I
would?
would choose one.
But alright.
I'm married, you know. I'm married to yourself.
Yeah. Nobody should ever marry to anybody who they do not. Well, you know, love it. Like, you know, make no sense. But for me, I think I could deal with how me deal with, because as men, we must always check our emotions, definitely. You understand? So with that being said, I think I could deal with and I advocate for love always. I could deal with being with somebody that I don't love.
Hate.
Oh, hate. That I hate. Don't love, hate. And hate, because it's not good to fake it, but I think I could deal with a person who
you're done. Who you hate.
Yeah. Rather than the person hating me.
If one woman hates you now.
Yeah, man, like it's the same thing. It goes back to the first question. Like a guy can have like emotionless connection to you, can sleep with you, everything, and deep down in my heart he knows it. So I think I would rather to be the one who is carrying out it.
Would you rather be with someone who always has a runny nose or someone who always have a smelly mouth? I think you runny nose any day.
Smelly mouth.
Smelly mouth.
Runny nose. The person who has a runny nose get a cold from them, so no. Yeah, no.
Yeah, but kiss his stinky mouth.
I have done it already. In fact, I have. It was not cool, but I have done it already.
No, but I know like I just one time thing, you know, but like every day.
But is it a permanent thing? I know something where we can work on. I'm like maybe I think, you know.
Suppose I just one problem when you can't
that
help.
cannot be fixed.
Can't fix.
Like cannot
Can't
be
fix.
fixed.
So you got the running nose already.
So to date somebody with a runny nose or the smelly mouth. I'm gonna go with the smelly mouth. We don't have to kiss. But the runny nose.
Do what you want to.
I'm not the kissy type. Just
take your running nose.
No.
Would you rather have 11 children or no child at all?
So those are the two options.
Two options.
No in between.
No in between.
11 children or none at all. Children are a blessing from God. And if you find the right somebody to form a family with one woman, just one woman, or
anyhow you live.
Well, like personally for me, I think any man who has 11 children with like 9 or 10 or 11 baby mamas, you gonna die broke, bro. No.
Drama when all of them come to you.
I believe that if a person wants to have a lot of kids, choose like one woman. Then again, you have to choose somebody who have the same mind like you, because if she want 2 and you want 11, like so you have to choose like-minded person. So I'd rather to have 11 than to have none at all. What about you?
Yeah, be 11. Providing that we can have 11.
It's a lot of work. So I hear, but
providing that, yeah, it depends. So when you start, you know, you start when you're 20.
I think if a person is to have 11 children, you have to start at
I'm
the
sorry.
latest 19.
19.
If you want to
Start,
finish have kids and have a life by yourself, 40 and 50, you better.
Yeah, we have all 20 in there.
A matter of fact, start from no. No.
Next question. Would you rather be in a relationship with your boss?
Female boss, of
provided-
course. Of course, I mean,
with your boss or the person you hated most in high school?
in a relationship with my boss or the person I hated the most.
In high school.
I never really know any girl that I hated per se in high school. Come on, bro. No. But say I'm working for a lady and she's my boss. It depends.
I got a problem in my workplace.
You don't have to. I mean, bosses sometimes not always
You work
there.
at them, I'm going to say I feel.
They don't have to know. It depends. Normally I don't talk to boss chicks, boss ladies.
Why? Wait, why not? They're bossy.
To become a lady, but to become a boss as a woman, you have to be competitive, combative, and it might mean that you have to take on some form of masculine traits, which I am not about to deal with. You like here in Jamaica, most men will tell you. I mean, real men who are working and getting their lives together, and so on and so forth, and look for women to mind them, like yours truly. Dealing with a woman who is a boss for it comes with a lot of stuff because most of the time she's gonna emasculate you, and it a lot of mixed feelings because
more money than you.
come on, we know that women that are more educated, work more money, more status than men, they tend to not treat them as, you know. So it depends on how much I think she likes you, and then from there you can dictate how the relation. I think as a man you should stand your ground and make a female, whether a boss or whatever, make them know what you're about, what you will and what you won't tolerate, and then you see go from there. So definitely I would rather girl I hate. You know what? And second, I'll take the girl I hate.
High school one because it's
because you can't turn. I mean, you can't turn love. I know many girls who.
If you left high school, are different people.
Yeah, I mean, who with a girl who never look so good, and then I'm like, hey, don't I know you from somewhere? Yeah, so I'd rather to tell. I'm not gonna deal with the whole masculine boss, you know. So I'd take them.
Next question. Would you rather be with someone who can cook but is bad in bed, or someone who is good in bed but cannot cook? I love food.
Not really. But I believe all working men should come home to a warm meal and a good meal.
Or a KFC meal?
No. If you're trying to live a God permits long life, then KFC is not okay to go. Like, no offense to KFC. I do enjoy a zinger every now and then, but it's not tangible. But however, I would rather say good in bed but a bad cook. Well, normally after bed still me I want something to eat.
KFC?
Still. I think I'd go with the one who is bad in bed but can cook. I can teach her. We can teach her. Alright, you alright.
You don't have to cook for me, can cook.
Oh, I did not.
You never think
about
what?
that. But well, so me have to cook. So alright, so what about then? I can cook.
can teach you how to cook.
I just said that. So say I can cook. Oh. So if she's good in bed and then I can cook.
Yeah, teach you how to cook.
Being as I just put in like 80% of the work I've done up and if you cook again, like that's not fair, bro. That's not fair. But
You can't teach them anyone of them.
You can't teach any one of them. I mean, most guys
One
still
can't
would want to give up on the good sex still. But, I mean, same as how one can learn to cook, one can learn to have sex better. So, which one would I choose? I go with the one who can cook, sir. We will learn. She will learn eventually.
Figure it out and do it. What they say, wing it.
Yeah, man. So, you know, go on until you get it correct. Okay. So, I have a very difficult question you ask. Mind blowing. But I want to ask you something. Because we know in the world of dating, you understand, the females would break up the guys in two sets. You have the good guys and you have the bad boys. Right? And we know what the bad boy come with, we know what good guys come with. The good guys, most of the time, a little bit weird, but they mean you well. They might not look as good as how you want them to, but most of them mean you the best. You know, the bad boy, you know, he's more exciting, he's good looking, all the way I love. Yeah, I mean, you know, typical playboy like Bruce Wayne. So, my question to you is, if there's a case where there was a nice guy who liked him, he's not that attractive and not have much money, but he's working, but he now make the amount of money where you that you know want a man to make, and it just not up to par how you would want who you look for. Yeah, but you're not gonna really know until, and then you have the guy who has it all. He's cute, he's interesting,
he's hot on the market. Everybody wants him.
High value and demand.
No,
but why?
The one when I work, you help him out.
In what way? You would help him out in what?
Money. You may steal him to install the good money.
This is an odd answer because most female definitely.
If you want to up so you can, you don't look good, but this one doesn't so you can go up.
Okay.
You know, have no if you go down, go further. You can mostly go up. But the other one up, now I know if you go.
But you know that most females would never ever say a thing like what you just said.
Probably because they have money.
What, females? Like, well, here in Jamaica, bruh, most females here in Jamaica don't make as much money as what, like the average female don't make as much, well, especially where I live here. The average male and female, the males make more money than the females.
That's true.
And I think if you should run do the survey, it's statistically proven. So I think because of social media and because women, you know, typically have more options than men, I think, you know, when you are the good guy now make up the amount of money, I mean, she can see the next job down the road and
whenever you know good.
Yeah, and then what happened now when you use all of them young years there, and then you see saying I really mean you much good. Then now you say, you know what, it should have been you.
Yeah,
and mind you,
that's I mean find one little one who help him up, you know.
And that time, mind you, it might mean that the nerd where you never really him now come be on top because
that's always something.
Even in a everyday life, most people who begin the race very strong kind of not finish that strong, and the one them will look weak and so forth. So alright, so fair enough. Alright, would you be with a guy who is soft and he cries about most of his problems to you and you see him? And yeah, like any problem he has, he cries and he's very emotional, which would have contributed to the crying. He's not sure about whatever he's going to do. He's not decisive enough, not good at decision making, and he lets you do whatever you want to do. I mean, like anything you say goes. Versus a masculine guy who he knows what he's about. He's there as a rock to you. Whenever you're feeling down, he's there. Whenever you're wrong, he corrects you. he would put some guidelines about what you can and can't do, where you can and can't go. Like for instance, if it's something to like, alright, say for instance, with the weak guy, he says, you said to him, babe, can we go say we live at Tivoli? And he's like, babe, can we go for a nature walk? Stuff like that. Like 3 o'clock in the morning. And he says like, okay, sure, let's go. Knowing and you go out and probably you get robbed or anything. Versus a guy who would say, you would say to him, babe, can we go have a nature walk 2 o'clock in the morning, Tivoli or wherever, any bad place you can think of. And he's like, no, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, anything can happen.
Assertive.
Yeah.
The masculine one.
What the? Why? Like most women not talk
No,
like
you
this
know what?
now.
You know what? Somebody when not decisive, when not know their mind. No, that don't make sense.
So you would rather the masculine one will say no.
Yes, but you can cry 1 and 2 times.
You know. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that.
You can cry with a problem like 1 and 2. You sometimes you can't manage.
No, I mean as men. I'm not saying we're not human and we know we cry. But I mean, emotions will come.
You know, 1 and 2 times.
Emotions will come when you feel like to cry, but I think you shouldn't, because as a man, you know, especially if you make women see you cry, that's not good. I think when women see you cry, them feel say,
not cry too much, you know, but this one, you know, one.
bro, you don't want to let your woman see you cry. It's not, bro, it's not good. It is not good. Don't do that, bro. If you wanna cry, it's better to cry with your bros, cry alone or with your bros. Cause definitely we understand. We're like, bro, me understand me about you. Like for instance, a man, mom, pastor, and he comes home.
But that's different. That's you can't cry with your
I mean, you feel it. I think you personally, if you made a hide
that's understandable.
Me and cry.
That's understandable. But if somebody puts you through, you come in your area, holler to you, man. Not different.
Okay. So you.
That's just different.
So that
you come and work, your boss shame you and sitting. You come home and holler. That don't look right. That don't look right.
So that means hey.
But like when a serious situation, no, you don't say, you can't, you just full up, you just have to let out it.
Yeah.
That different.
So definitely you would choose the masculine guy who can protect, provide, and if he should lose his job tomorrow, he can say, alright, I sit down, I figure this out. Whatever it is me have to do to make sure some family eat, taken care of, that is what I'm gonna do. Versus a guy who, I don't know. Yeah, so I mean, yeah. But on the same level of question, like, do you think in today's world we have less masculine men? Like, how do you vision men nowadays versus like our grandfathers and stuff like that? Do you think like more manly man was back then?
Yes. Back then, yeah. But there's a balance. That's why man first time is so weak, you know. Some soft man is there.
I mean, it's a small minority.
Like no.
Yeah, like no. Like more men now are more emotional. And I think what society has done is taught, especially men, that we should not control our emotion. You can't have emotionless men that walk up and down. As men, you must learn to control your emotions. Because, alright, say for instance, I go to work. I have to work for my family. Understand? And I get insulted by my boss or somebody, co-worker or whatever. When you're emotionless, if your mind tell you say, be the guy or your boss to a point, whoever it is. Then if you follow what your mind tell you and your emotion, you will get yourself in a trouble. But a man who knows how to control himself, you understand, who has discipline, he's a guy who say, alright, you know what, I'm not doing this for them, I'm doing this for my family. So me I bear whatever me I bear, and do it for my family. You understand? Not to say that if you take disrespect or whatever, but I'm just saying you should know how to deal with. So, masculine men for you.
Masculine men for me.
Okay.
And on that note, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share.